Be strong.
Hello everyone. Let's be honest, who else can't start the day until the coffee kicks in? If coffee is your absolute life force, we have the perfect design.
Introducing the Coffee My Life Force Lion. This hilarious, relatable design captures that pre-caffeine mood perfectly. It's guaranteed to get a smile. This highly detailed, funny design is ideal for shirts, hoodies, etc. It's an instant hit for any coffee lover in your customer base. It's an Eco Solvent Heat Transfer. This means vibrant colors and incredible durability. Just press it with your heat press or iron and you're ready to go. Skip the cutting and printing hassle. Get this funny, high-quality transfer instantly at www.stylejunctions.com and power up your product line. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we put out newly created images 2-3 times a week. See you in the next video.
Be strong.